Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the top coins on Binance that I think are worth keeping an eye on this month. Whether you're already holding some of these or looking to expand your portfolio, I'll break down why these coins are standing out right now. So, let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with Bitcoin, or BTC, the big one. I know Bitcoin isn't exactly a new recommendation, but it's still the top crypto by market cap and has the most adoption worldwide. Institutions are getting on board more and more, which can be a good signal for the long-term stability and value of BTC. Now, you might ask, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? It depends on your strategy. Bitcoin may not have the explosive gains of some altcoins, but it's the closest thing to a safe bet in the crypto world. If you're after long-term growth, a small portion of BTC can add some stability to your portfolio. Next up, let's check out Ethereum, or ETH. Ethereum has been massive for the entire crypto space, especially with the rise of DeFi and NFTs. The recent upgrade to Ethereum 2.0 brought some big improvements to speed and scalability, making it even more appealing. ETH is crucial for anyone interested in projects that use smart contracts. It's got such a wide reach and is involved in so many applications that a lot of people see ETH as a must-have in their portfolios. Just remember, it's not immune to volatility, so consider how it fits with your investment goals. Now, we can't overlook Binance Coin, or BNB, especially if you're using Binance like we are right now. BNB started as a way to get discounted trading fees on Binance, but it's grown into much more. With the Binance Smart Chain, BNB is involved in various DeFi projects, NFTs, and even certain games. BNB has a solid use case beyond just trading discounts, and Binance's quarterly coin burns help control the supply, which can support the coin's value over time. If you believe in Binance's future growth, BNB might be a smart addition. Moving on to Cardano, or 8A, Cardano's been one of the most hyped coins thanks to its research-driven approach. They're all about sustainability and creating a blockchain that's secure and energy efficient. This appeals to a lot of people who are in it for the long haul. Cardano's development has been slower, but they're building carefully. It's a good option for those who want something that's focused on quality and future potential. If you're in crypto for the tech side of things, ADA might be one to watch. Next on the list is Solana, or Sol. Solana has gained a lot of attention for its speed and low transaction fees, and some people call it an Ethereum killer for that reason. It's ideal for decentralized apps, gaming, and NFTs, which are growing like crazy. Solana's community and ecosystem are expanding fast. If you're looking for a project that's strong in DeFi and has the infrastructure for fast applications, Sol could be worth a look. Just keep in mind that like all crypto, it has its ups and downs. Now, let's talk about Polkadot, or DOT. Polkadot's focus is interoperability. Essentially, it allows different blockchains to communicate with each other. This is important because as crypto grows, the ability to transfer data and assets across chains will be a big deal. DOT has a lot of tech behind it, and as more parachains are launched, its value could rise. If you're looking for a coin that's all about the future of blockchain networks working together, Polkadot might be a strong pick. Next up, Avalanche, or AVAX. Avalanche has been making a name for itself as another competitor to Ethereum with super fast transaction speeds and low costs. It's very popular in DeFi circles, and it's attracting a lot of new projects thanks to its strong performance. If you're into DeFi and believe in the future of platforms competing with Ethereum, AVAX could be interesting. It's still growing rapidly, and we're seeing more and more projects in its ecosystem. And finally, Chainlink, or Link. This one's a bit different because Chainlink isn't exactly a traditional blockchain. Instead, it's an oracle, meaning it brings real-world data to smart contracts on the blockchain. Whether it's data on the weather, stock prices, or sports scores, Chainlink provides valuable info to make smart contracts more functional. Link is unique because it's heavily integrated across various blockchains. If you're looking for something beyond the usual blockchain use cases, Chainlink's role in decentralized data makes it pretty attractive. Plus, as the Ethereum ecosystem grows, Polygon's value could grow with it. Next up is VeChain, or VeChain. VeChain is pretty unique because it's focused on supply chain logistics and making business processes more transparent. It's already partnered with some big companies in the food, fashion, and luxury industries. VT is all about real-world application. It's more than just a digital asset. If you're interested in blockchain's potential beyond finance, VeChain is a good example. Its growing list of partnerships could boost its adoption and value over time, so it's worth keeping an eye on. Finally, let's talk about Cosmos, or Atom. Cosmos aims to create an internet of blockchains. In other words, it's all about connecting different blockchain networks so they can work together. Like Polkadot, it's focused on interoperability, but with its own unique approach. Atom has been seeing increased adoption, and many projects are building on the Cosmos ecosystem. If you believe in a future where different blockchains will need to connect and communicate seamlessly, Cosmos is a strong contender. It's still early days, but Atom is showing a lot of promise. Let's add Nexo, or Nexo, to the list. Nexo is a bit different because it's not just a cryptocurrency, it's part of a platform that provides crypto-backed loans, savings accounts, and various financial services. Holding Nexo gives users benefits like better interest rates and discounts on loans, which adds utility to just owning the token. Nexo is appealing for people looking for passive income options, as Nexo offers interest on stored assets. If you're into crypto but want to explore options outside of just trading and holding, Nexo might be worth looking into as a way to earn while you hold. Next up is Aptos, or APT. Aptos is a relatively new project, but it's already made a splash in the blockchain space. Aptos was designed to solve scalability and security issues using a unique programming language called Move, which was originally developed by Facebook's DM project. Aptos aims to deliver extremely fast transaction speeds and robust security, and it's quickly gaining attention as developers build out its ecosystem. APT has strong backing, and with its focus on scalability and developer-friendly tools, it could be a good pick if you're looking for innovative projects with a long-term vision. And there you have it, some of the top coins on Binance that are worth checking out this month. Each of these has its unique strengths, from Bitcoin's stability and Ethereum's dominance in DeFi to innovative projects like Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche. Remember, crypto is always evolving, so if any of these caught your interest, dive a bit deeper and see if they align with your goals. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there's a coin on Binance you're keeping an eye on this month. Until next time, happy trading.